Today we will start exercise 4G, page number 68. So here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So we have to subtract a 5-digit number from a 5-digit number. So if in there is a need of borrowing, we have to borrow. If we can subtract in linear way, you can do in simple way. So 8 minus 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So here will be 3. Then 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So like this we have to do. See question number 5. In question number 5, 2 is smaller than 4. So it will borrow from the next number. So 12 minus 4, 8. Or you can place line, or with the help of finger we can subtract. Again here we can see 3 is less than 7. So it will again borrow from the next number. 3 will become 13 and 7 will become 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here will be 6. Then 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. So like this we have to solve in our book. So how we can do in our copy? So you will write today's date, that is 9/7/2020. Exercise 4G, page number 68. Question number 1. So we will copy down question number 1. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. So copy down the number. 36,438. Then 1,400, 14,225. Now we will subtract. Here we can find 7. 7 is not there. Now as we have done the subtraction already, so we will copy down the answers. So how you will do? Question number 2. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. 48,752. 43,618. Put the sign of minus. Again here we see that 2 is less than 8. So it will borrow from the next number. 5 will become 4 and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. So like this you have to do up to question number 16. Okay, now we will see how we can do question number B. Do the following in your notebook. So this one we have to do in our notebook, not in book. So you will copy down question number B. Do the following in your note book. Like this you will copy down the question. Now here question number 1. Subtract 28,876 from 46,289. Okay children, if from is written, that means this number you will write on the top. If from is written, FROM, from is written, that means the number which is in the back, you will write it on the top, and the number which is at first, you will write it at bottom, then you will subtract. If not understood, then simple thing you can understand which number is greater. This number is greater, so this number you will write on the top, and this number is smaller, so this number you will write at the bottom. But the thing is that if from is written, that means this number you have to write on the top and this number in the bottom. So let us solve it. 46,289, 28,876. Put the sign of minus. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 8. We see that 2 is less than 8. So it will borrow from the next number. 2 will become 12 and 6 will become 5. So 12 minus 8, 4. Again we see that 5 is less than 8. So 5 will borrow from the next number. 4 will become 3 and this will 5 will become 15. So 8 minus 15, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. So like this we have done question number 1 of section B. Now question number 3 of section B. Subtract, you will write here question, subtract 16,986 from 52,040. So 0 is there at 100 place, so we will not say 0, we generally say 40. In place of 100, 0 is there, so we don't say 0, 100. It is only 40. And since here also from is written, so this number, the number which is at the back or in the second position, you will write it on the top, and the number which is at first position you have to write at bottom. Whenever or wherever from is written, the number which is at back you have to write on top. So here we have copied down the question. Now we will arrange the number in column and then we will subtract. 52,040, 16,986. Okay, here is 0. We can see here 0 is there, so it will borrow from the next number. 4 will become 3 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here we see that 3 is also less than 8. So it will borrow from the next number, but here is 0. So it will borrow from the next number. This 2 will become 1 and this will become 10, but it will give 1, so it will become 9. So 13 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 is there. 9 minus 9, 0. Again here we see 1 is less than 6, so it will take or borrow from the next number. So 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 6, 5. We can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 4 minus 1, 3. So we have completed question number 3. Now question number 5. Take away 18,762 from 33,141. Here also from is written. In place of subtract, take away is written. Take away means we have to take away. That means we have to subtract, we have to decrease. So you will write, copy down the question here and you will arrange the number in column and then subtract. 33,141, 18,000 762. Put the sign of minus. So here we can see that the number is 1 is less than 2. So it will borrow from the next number. It will become 11 and 4 will become 3. So 11 minus 2, 9. Again 3 is less than 6. So it will borrow from the next number. This will become 0 and this will become 13. So 13 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 is there. Again 0 is less than 7. So it will borrow from the next number. 3 will become 2 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. Here also 2 is less than 8. So it will borrow from the next number. 3 will become 2 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. So like this you will complete exercise 4G in your book and copy both.